Hi everyone! In this video, we'll explore how to install Windows Server 2025 on Hyper-V. If you're looking to learn or test Windows Server 2025 before deploying it in a real environment, this video will definitely be helpful for you. First, make sure that Hyper-V is already installed on your computer. If not, check out the tutorial video I've linked in the description below. Next, download the official Windows Server 2025 ISO file from Microsoft's website. I've also included a detailed guide in the description below. Now, open Hyper-V Manager and create a new virtual machine for Windows Server in Hyper-V. Here, give your virtual machine a name. Then click Next to move to the next step. Here, select Generation 2 to take advantage of newer features and better compatibility with modern operating systems. Then click Next to continue. In this step, assign memory for your virtual machine. For Windows Server 2025, it's recommended to allocate at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth performance, or more if your system allows. Next, in the networking step, select the virtual switch you want to use for this virtual machine. If you've already created an external switch, choose it so the VM can access the internet or communicate with other devices on your LAN. In this step, we will create a virtual hard disk for the virtual machine. You can keep the default location or choose a different folder if you prefer. Next, in the installation option step, select Install an operating system from a bootable image file. Then click Browse and select the Windows Server 2025 ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Finally, click Finish to complete the virtual machine setup. You'll now see the newly created virtual machine listed in Hyper-V Manager. Select it, then click Connect, and hit Start to launch the VM and begin installing Windows Server 2025. At the boot screen, press any key to start from the ISO file. When the setup screen appears, choose your installation language, time, then click Next to continue. Next, choose the keyboard layout you want to use, then click Next to continue. Here, click Install Windows Server, then check I agree, everything will be deleted, to confirm that all data on the drive will be erased and proceed with a clean installation. Here, select the version with desktop experience to install Windows Server 2025 with the full graphical user interface, making it easier to manage and more user-friendly, especially if you're just getting started. Next, click Accept to agree to the license terms and continue with the installation. Next, select the drive where you want to install, then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin the Windows Server 2025 installation. At this stage, the Windows Server 2025 installation will begin. The system will copy and extract necessary files, install features, and automatically restart several times during the process. Just wait until the installation is complete. No further action is needed. After the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to set a password for the administrator account. Enter the password you want to use, confirm it again, and click Finish to complete the setup. In a lab or virtual environment, you can disable the press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to log in requirement to make the login process faster. And I've made a detailed tutorial video on how to do this. You can find it in the description below. After logging in successfully, you'll see the Windows Server 2025 desktop interface. From here, you can start configuring your server, installing roles or features depending on your needs. And that's it. We've successfully installed Windows Server 2025 on Hyper-V. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.